What is 80/20 health insurance? You've just gotten injured. The last thing on your mind is how much you're going to have to pay for treatment. Until you get the bill. There are many options out there for health insurance coverage. The challenge is that most people don't read the fine print. You could think that you have the best coverage money can buy, only to find out not much is covered in the event of something major. Today, we're going to help out with that. We're going to go over 80/20 health insurance and 5 important things you need to know about 80/20 plans. So number 1, what is 80/20 health insurance? Well, firstly, 80/20 health insurance is a particular type of health plan based around the co-insurance, or copay, a patient is required to pay. The idea in an 80/20 plan is that your healthcare provider will cover 80% of your medical costs, while you are responsible for the other 20%. Secondly, most health insurance plans, including 80/20 plans, also have what's known as an out-of-pocket limit. This is important to look at when you're purchasing a health insurance policy. The out-of-pocket limit represents the most money you can pay for medical care within a calendar year. In the case of an 80/20 plan, you will pay 20% of your health bills until your out-of-pocket limit is reached. At that point, you would be done paying for the year, and your out-of-pocket limit would reset at the start of the following year. Number 2, what does an 80/20 plan cost? The general rule of thumb in health insurance is the lower your deductible and the lower your copay is, the higher your monthly premiums will be. For that reason, an 80/20 plan may be towards the high end of monthly premiums. The good news, though, is that you can work with a health insurance agent to adjust your plan. If you can shoulder a little more upfront cost on your medical bills, it may make sense for you to switch to a 70/30 or 50/50 plan to save on monthly premium costs. It's also important to ask, what is my total out-of-pocket limit on these plans? If you are torn between 2 different plans for you and your family, the out-of-pocket maximum could make the difference. And number 3, covered services. It's important to note that the splits we've discussed only applies to covered services. When you are researching a health insurance plan, the marketing materials will typically have a schedule of services for each plan. This list outlines which doctors you can go to, what procedures are covered, and what medications you can order under that particular plan. It's a good idea to check and make sure the procedure, doctor, or medication you're dealing with is covered under your plan. No one wants to get hit with a surprise bill they didn't see coming. For questions regarding all of your insurance needs, contact Futurewise Insurance. We're the industry leader in Texas for a number of your insurance-related questions, including health, life, dental, group, supplemental, and Medicare. Contact us today to find the best solution to your specific situation. Give us a call at 877-763-0555 or check out our website at futurewiseinsurance.com. That's 877-763-0555 or online at futurewiseinsurance.com. For questions regarding all of your insurance needs, contact Futurewise Insurance. We're the industry leader in Texas for a number of your insurance-related questions, including health, life, dental, group, supplemental, and Medicare. Contact us today to find the best solution to your specific situation. Give us a call at 877-763-0555 or check out our website at futurewiseinsurance.com. That's 877-763-0555 or online at futurewiseinsurance.com.